what you're watching is we found these two little birds just on the ground, lying around. They seem to have been blown out of the nest. We picked them up and we're looking after them, we're feeding them. We're fostering these two little sparrows. And what they're eating is mashed bread and milk. And they love it. Look at that hungry little bugger. Oh, there he comes. One of them doesn't seem to know how to swallow properly. It takes a long time for him. He was nearly dead when we found him. In fact, I thought he was dead. I was going to bury him. But then he started moving around. We saved him. He needs a little help. But he gets it eventually. Come on.